Bitcoin already retesting the 107k and we see the rejection from this resistance. At the same time, Ethereum retesting the 2700 and after that we see the 15% dump to $2,300 support. Solana also rejecting from 185 and right now hold around the $160 support. What's up everyone, Puryanik here and welcome back to Crypto Zone. If you are new to the channel or you're watching for the first time, thank you very much to subscribing and liking and sharing my video. Crypto Zone have a campaign with the Bitunix Exchange and we have a 500 USDT giveaway to 16 lucky winner. If you still didn't watch this video and you like to be one of the winner, please feel free to watch it. And we have a 3 easy steps to be in the campaign. So I hope you're joining to the campaign and be one of the 16 winner. So on this video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana for higher and lower time frame. Make sure you're watching this video to the end. So let's get started. Let's start with the Bitcoin and we can see Bitcoin on the weekly time frame confirming rejecting from this resistance and we have a still support around 100k or 101k and we are ping-ponging between this support and resistance. As soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 100k, definitely we can see the ping-pong between this support and the resistance. If we see the rejection from the 100k, still we have a support around 98k and we have a major support on 94,000 and we can see the midband of the BB on the weekly time frame also standing around this area around 93,000 94,000. So if we get the rejected from this support around 100k, yes, definitely we can come and retest this support again and maybe we're retesting this green box again. But as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 100k, I give the chance to the bulls and I'm still looking for Bitcoin break above the 106k. If Bitcoin breaking above the 106k, definitely we can see the higher price for a Bitcoin. And if we want to estimate it, how much far we can see the Bitcoin going, definitely we can estimate to 120, 130 or maybe higher price this time. But right now on the weekly time frame, we can see very clear rejection. If I add in the Fibonacci extension, we estimated also from Fibonacci, we can see exactly 0.786 Fibonacci line also standing around approximately around 121k. This is very bullish if Bitcoin break above this resistance. But right now we already get rejected from 0.5 Fibonacci extension and from this resistance, and we still have a hopium for a bulls to hold above 100k. Actually on the weekly time frame we can see the bullish crossover and histogram already changing to the green and we are higher than the baseline. If a Bitcoin break above the 107,000, yes, definitely we can continue. At the same time we can see the DMI on the weekly time frame, D plus and ADX standing around 24%, means that it's still bullish control in the market. But if we see the temporary rejection even coming back again to 100k, there is a hopium this rally can continue to higher price. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can see body to body candle closing below this resistance, and on the daily time frame we can see the midband standing around 100k and very close to this support. That's why if Bitcoin back to this support around 100k and hold this support, definitely can continue. Otherwise, if we will reject from here, we still have a support around 97,000 and major support around 94k, and we can see the lower band of the BB also standing around 92,500 on this green box. So if we see the Bitcoin on the daily time frame closing below 100k, yes, definitely we can come back again to 96,000 94,000. But on the bullish scenario, as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 100k, definitely can come and retest the 106k, 107k, and maybe this time we can see the new high for a Bitcoin. Before I start in the Ethereum, I'm still trading on Bybit and Bitunix Exchange. Bybit upgrading a lot, and right now on the inverse perpetual adding many new coin. So if you still doesn't have a Bybit account and you don't have any problem with the verification, you can use in the CryptoZone link. And if you have a problem with the verification or you're looking for a new exchange, you can use in Bitunix, and CryptoZone have a special campaign with Bitunix Exchange. Link in description and pin on the comment. Ethereum on the daily time frame, very nice try for Ethereum, and come and retest the 2700, and after that we almost get 15% jump to the support around 2300, and we can see on the daily time frame mid band of the BBS standing approximately around 2225. Still Ethereum holding this support, and as soon as the holding this support can come and retest the $2,500 again, and maybe we can see some ping pong between this support and the resistance. But on the bearish scenario, if Ethereum breaking below 2300, we can see the mid band of the BBS standing around 2200. We have a more support around $2050, $2070. But on the bullish scenario, as soon as the Ethereum holding this support can come and retest this resistance around 2500, and if we see the Ethereum break above, come and retest this support again and hold it, yes, definitely we can come and retest $2,800, $3,000 again. Solana on the daily time frame, such a nice try for a Solana, come and retest the 184, and right now we can see Solana get a little bit bounce from the mid band, but as soon as the Solana below the 164 is not so good for a Solana. Maybe we can come and retest here, then continue to $146 again. As soon as the Solana below 146 is not so good, maybe we can see the Solana back above the 164, or maybe even back to 168 and continue dump. Or on the bullish scenario, we have to see the Solana come back to 164, 165 and hold it, then break above the 168. Yes, definitely we can come and retest the $170, $184 again. But right now, not so good situation for Solana as soon as below $164. So this is all about today, my friend. Hope this video is helping you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you still didn't join the CryptoZone campaign with the Bitunix Exchange, you can watch in this video and you can follow in the 3-step and you can be one of the 16 winner. So I hope you are one of the winner. All the best for you and see you on the next video.